To French kiss someone, first move in closer and tilt your head to the side a little bit so you're ready to kiss them. Close your eyes and start with some gentle kisses. Then, open your mouth a little to invite your partner to start using their tongue. If they do, kiss them back using your tongue lightly too.
Go slow and don't force anything. As you're kissing, place your hands on their hips, gently cradle their face, or wrap your arms around them in an embrace. Don't worry if you don't feel like a pro at first. Even if things don't go perfectly your first time, you will get better at French kissing the more you practice. Try sucking on a mint and putting on some lip balm if you know you're going to be kissing someone so your breath is fresh and your lips feel soft and kissable.
Subscribe this channel for more videos.